Well, something unfortunate happened. Not only did it look blue like a Thanos, some Smurfs, but... Hi, and welcome back. I think this evening, we're gonna go ahead and paint that top part and down a little bit. We're not gonna paint where we're gonna fix that spot at just yet. Then we're gonna come to the bedside, take all that paint off with a little sander, and probably gonna start taking the paint off this taillight housing as well. Not all the way down, because we still got some issues with pinholes and stuff like that at the bottom. So probably the bottom portion of the lower rocker we'll probably just leave like it is for now. So a lot of welding around there, and I'm gonna still try to pull that dent out as best I can. Sand and painted hopefully tonight. And then I'm thinking of flipping this tailgate up, putting the stripper all on it as well. I'm gonna go with sand first. We'll get that down to metal. Then we'll clean it off, clean this off. We'll probably put the tailgate up. That way we can get closer to the taillight housing over here. We'll probably just grind that all down as well. Really want to see what that crack is, so we may grind that down, see how big that crack is, if we need to pull it out a little bit. But anyways, let's go there, and I'll show you a little bit more about what I plan on doing, and I'll show you this too. My goal is to get all this sanded back down all the way to this body line here. I'm going to sand it down, but I'm not going to paint it past this, just because there's still some pinholes I need to weld up here and grind that back down. So just follow this body line around like this and not paint that down there yet. But I'm gonna get this better. Probably just gonna use a sander on it. It's the quickest way to do it, and there's not a lot there. Anyways, get that done, clean it, paint it. Then we'll come in here, clean this bare metal off. We're gonna not paint around that area. Probably just about right up here, across and up and over, and get that all blacked. Thinking about grinding this down here, or sanding it down and seeing what that looks like. See if I need to fix it. We can tell it looks like a pretty good sized crack, so we'll probably have to fix that. But like I said, tailgate's not in bad shape. Has, a few issues, but I think maybe hammer that down. Anyways, let's get started and get some paint on this. Well, something unfortunate happened. Not only did it look blue like a Thanos, some Smurfs, but this brand new bottle is starting to spray in chunks, as you can see. And it's just random when it does it. I don't know if I'm not mixing it enough or if it's just a bad can. But we got some paint on this. I like to go get another coat or two, probably gonna have to sand this back down a little bit, even up here. And we got paint on that finally, so that's done. And you can tell I got runs, so I sand those back down and do something with them. But other than top being blue, I think it's gonna look all right if I get another coat on the side here. Until I got some stripes going on. And also that crack, it's not a crack, it's just a big dent. Kind of just want to see how far the BONDO went. As you can tell, they're pretty good with BONDO. But they feathered all the way out to here. So this dent's pretty severe right here. So maybe we can pop it back out. Get some, need a slide hammer, kind of pop this back out maybe. I should have noticed that was BONDO in these gouges. So maybe we can save it. But yeah, not too happy with how this came out, especially with the splatter. But this doesn't look so bad now that this is somewhat taken care of. Other than that hole, I feel pretty good. Starting to be one color, at least. Well, I think that'll do it for me this evening. Like I said, disappointed in that primer. I do like it though. Probably get a couple new cans, throw that one away. It doesn't feel right throw their whole new bottle of spray paint away. It costs $10, but I don't want to spray it on this. So a couple more of those. Go back over this side, and then I may come back over here, shoot some more weld around these pinholes, kind of grind that back down. And I'm probably gonna leave that little bit of a crease there. I don't have anything to get it out with. I can't get a hammer back there, so we may paint over that next time. And we may start sanding where the seats go in the cab, getting that all sanded down. I like to go over the spot we patched, maybe trying to grind it a little bit better and get it make it fit just a little bit better. And then we'll need to get the tubs done and the inside here. Need to get all that taken care of. So we got a lot more to do in here, but at least the bed part's pretty much done, other than the hole. But anyways, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Just kind of what the channel's about. Post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If you like this, please like, comment, subscribe. It does help the channel out a lot. Like I said, next time probably be just moving around, getting rid of rust. Like I said, I got call out for door pillar help. See if that comes through or not. But until then, I got this side, drive passenger side pan to grind down all the spot welds to get all that, and self-etching primer as well, because that needs to be done. We may jump on that and knock all those down and start to prime it, because they're starting to rust pretty good. So we may focus on that next time and get another can of that self-etching primer and go back over this, maybe sand those spots that it kind of splattered on there down. But anyways, thank you again. Like I said, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.